Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Josephine. I'm a Nigerian living in Cabo Verde. I live in Sal Island, Santa Maria precisely. I just coming across my channel. If you love my videos along as you're watching, you can kindly subscribe, comment, like, and share, and tell a friend to tell a friend about this channel because you are gonna love it. It's all about living here in this beautiful country. If you really want to know about Cabo Verde, check my video on facts about Cabo Verde so you know where this beautiful country is located. Most time I tell people I live in Cabo Verde, they could say, where is that? Is that the name of a city in South Africa called Cape Town? So my videos are all major talking about Cabo Verde. So you know everything about Cabo Verde. Before I start this video, how do I look? I just tie myself up with this Ghana Kente. I love it so it can bring out the color reflection of this video. Today's video is all about a question some subscribers asked me on WhatsApp. They are like, I want to come to Cabo Verde. I don't really know the best island to visit, to make money, and also to enjoy my life. First of all, before you come to Cabo Verde, watch my video on what you need to know about Cabo Verde before you make your journey. I don't know if you are coming as a content creator, you are coming here as a tourist, you are relocating down, because we have so many content creators coming to Cabo Verde, especially here on Sal and Santiago Island, coming to make videos. Examples of them are Steven Odunku, Tony Aina, Travel with Dantes, KNT, Willie Fugo, and the rest of them. Now, if you are coming to Cabo Verde, you are relocating down and you are, you want the best island to live in. Which one is more touristic? Which one can you make money? Which one is life more conducive? Now, if you are coming to Cape Verde on a budget for a first timer who really wants to manage themselves, check my video on the island to live on a budget. If you are coming to Cape Verde now from the angle of who is coming to make money, you don't mind, you just want to come, you are desperate to make money, you want to cash out fast, which of the island are you supposed to go to? I am going to mention it at the end of this video. If you know you're just coming across my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, promote your girl, because it's all about Cabo Verde. Some of the things I am talking about, let me be honest, before I came to this island, I did not have awareness of them. I wasn't told. I came to this island. I have been living here for 2 years plus now. I said, no, I am going to talk about everything which I'm yet to talk about. But the ones I have talked on, you guys should catch up on it. How is it like living in Cabo Verde? Culture shock. Watch those videos so that before you come to Cabo Verde, you know how it is. If you want to make money, you are looking for the island to visit or to relocate to in a period of 1 year, 2 years, I don't really know, whatever years you want to stay. The best island for you is Sal Island. Here in Cabo Verde, we got 10 islands, of which one of them is uninhabited. The name of that island is Santa Lucia, while the rest are Sal Island, which I live in, Boa Vista, Santiago, Salvation, Santanto, San Nicola, Mayo, Fogo, Brava. Sal is mostly touristic. When they say touristic, it's mostly visited by whites. If you are somebody who have come to Sal Island, you have been to any of the islands before, and you want to compare, you will know that Sal is mostly visited by tourists all over the globe. Now, tourists visit this island, they want to make business. Cabo Verde economy strives through tourism and foreign investments. They come, they do transactions, they buy things. So whenever you are thinking of this island, here you can do sharp business. You are coming with your skill, you are coming to work as somebody for salary earner, you are coming here as somebody commission. If you want to know how to make money here, watch my video on how to make money as a salary worker, a commission, how it is to make money in this island working with your skill, and the demanded jobs here in Cabo Verde. Check up my video on that so you understand very well. Sal is mostly touristic. Now, when somewhere is touristic, that is where the money flows. That is where things happens. There are other disadvantage of coming to SAR though. If you are coming to make sharp money, you are not here to, okay, let me be in this island first to manage myself. I just want to see the money. I just want to see things happening. SAR Island is the best island for you. That is where you will make the millions. That is where you will pack money. Anything here living in this island is business. When business flows, everyone have money. It's all about SAR. When you are coming to this island, nobody they look your face, no face. And the slogan of Cabo Verde is no stress. Every time, every minute, every second here in SAR Island, it's all about the money. So SAR is the recommended island for you if you are coming to make money fast, you are coming to make business, you are coming to, to just settle down and, start negotiating, doing business. You know what I'm trying to say. My Nigerians will understand. If you know everything that is the tactics of living in SAR Island, you are going to enjoy it. I'm this Nigerian that will tell you guys the truth. I'm this Nigerian that is being honest, living in this beautiful country of Cabo Verde, and I live in this island, SAR Island, Santa Maria precisely. It's all about money. Everyone here is so conscious about money. Every business transaction is all about money. Whatever scale you come here with, you are going to make money from it. Watch my video on available skills that will fetch you money, which is also handwork, so you know how it is like living here in Cabo Verde. So for those of you that ask me which is the best island to make money, I don't want to suffer long. I want to experience white, that is seeing lots of white people. And here in Cabo Verde, they call white branco. One of the other thing again, because it's mostly touristic, you see more of the whites. You don't see them in a few number. You see them in parks, and that is very beautiful. I know I have answered your question, and this question will also help others who are, having this mindset of coming to Cape Verde. I want to relocate down. Which is the best island to go to? And the second island too, I also want to talk about, is known as Boa Vista. If you have been watching my video, there's a Nigerian who comments, I live in Boa Vista and I work as a waiter. I think I'm going to insert that comment on this video so you catch up on it, and I will also drop it in my community post so you see that there are people that are working legally here, even though some are saying, oh, they are not just in Cape Verde. Anybody that comes to Cape Verde is doing those kind of stuff. So that person that is saying it, ask that person. So that is what he or she also does here. Yeah, there's no job in Cabo Verde. They try to discourage you and they are still here. Why are they still here? They are trying to discourage you and they are still here. I laugh. You are going to hear the honest truth from me. As you are watching this video, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. My apology here, whenever you ask a question and I'm yet to reply, I don't want you guys to be angry. Just wait, just cool. I am going to make a video about that. Thank you all for taking me to 2,000 subscribers. I appreciate you, and I beg you guys to always watch my ads. Watch my ads for Shout a Girl. Tell me a super thanks, because I'm doing a lot giving you guys useful information about Cabo Verde. How do I look? How do I look? Cabo Verde is my Europe in Africa. If you are yet to watch that video while I see Cabo Verde as my Europe in Africa, catch up on it so you know what I'm talking about. Truth, don't I look like people living in Europe? Hi, it's my head. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao. Obrigado.